Hi you guys, and this is my video of me and my dog. I'm going to skin my dog with my hamster toy. So, it's going to be funny. Okay, this is my hamster toy. You can see. I think I need some more light. This is my hamster toy. He's just roaming around. And she's just roaming around. And this is my dog. Muffin. 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 Come on, stop moving. How you doing, girl? How you doing? Hola, she got loose. Come on, Muffin. Muffin. Stop moving. Who that is in the bag?
I don't know. What's the heck with that back there, Nikki? What is that?
That's your hamster.
Oh! I never know I had that little thing on loose.
Okay, so I got stuff.
I'm back. So. Go. She's scared. Go. Muffin is so scary. These are my two pets, my hamster and my little dog. Muffin. She can't go that far. Look at that cute little face. Look at it. Look at it. Look back at it. Look back at it. Come here. Come here.
Shit, you know you gotta get to the hospital. You gotta shop because I'm in the city.